Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ceiba Ixchel, and today I'm going to show you how to make your brown eyes pop using just a little blue eyeshadow with your neutral tones. Stay tuned to see how I did this look. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with my base. I'm using this primer by NYX. It's the Angel Veil. I used it in the last video, and this was the one that I said that if you're any shade darker than ivory, you're pretty much gonna have a white film left on your face, but it's okay because it's a really good primer. Next, I'm gonna take my foundation. I'm using the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear. I like a coverage between medium and full, so I use 3 pumps. And then I'm taking my Morphe sponge. Now that I have my foundation on, you guys are gonna think this is weird, but I'm doing my brows, and then after that I'm gonna conceal. So I'm taking my ABH brow pomade and my little angle brush. And if you see me looking down, wow, I'm really one of those YouTubers. It's because my mirror is down here, so I'm just gonna... Oh, this is way better. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my other brow on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Light, and I'm gonna clean them up because I am not satisfied. So I'm gonna go ahead and start at the bottom. Let me get my other little mirror. Juan Diego was gonna find the Virgen of Guadalupe right here in this eyebrow. Laugh, Andrew, laugh. I'm funny, you know.
You really are. You really are. Come in real quick. Hi.
Now you guys are finally meeting Andrew.
I had to look away from her, and because I thought I was gonna start laughing and just like ruin the take, but she told me to laugh, so.
I think she better now. Imagine all the people with little mountain eyebrows. Hey, yeah. Okay, my brows are sculpted. I don't use a lot of concealer up there, but at least some, so my eyebrows don't come out looking all dumb. Now I'm gonna take...
Brows are sisters, not twins.
Now I'm gonna take my Radiant Creamy and highlight my face. Oh my god. It's fine, it's fine. You know what? We'll just let the concealer dry and it'll be more full coverage. Now let's take her down the nose. Whoa. My hand just swerved. Oh, she's steaming still. Oh my god, I hope I don't burn myself. Oh, she good. Here she is, air spun. Let me take out the powder puff. Should I bake? Yeah, I'm gonna bake because I did my base first.
Now I know that they're supposed to be powder.
Thank God. You know what? It was so nice of you though, like, to look at me and be like, you left powder on your face. Oh, air sponge just went in my eye. This little fat kabuki brush. Swirl that around on my face. Whoa, just hit my earring. I love these earrings. They have green around them. I love them. Did I take out my highlighter? I did not. I'm taking this eyeshadow by Lisa Frank with Glamour Dolls. I'm gonna use it as it's an eyeshadow and I'm using it as a highlighter, okay? With this brush. This brush is so sparkly. I literally like only use this brush to highlight because it's so sparkly. Just highlighting that area. I'm gonna come back and finish highlighting later because I'm baking and I don't wanna wipe off my powder just yet because I'm gonna do my top shadow. I'm taking my Morphe 35O mattes and I'm gonna take, well, this baby is beat up because this is my favorite palette ever, but I'm gonna take this white shade up here, and with the concealer that's already on my lid, I'm using that as a shadow base, and I'm just gonna pack this white shade. I always find that when I do this, like it kind of lifts my eyebrow and it makes one of my eyebrows look like it's higher than the other one, but it's really not. It's just that this eye right now looks flatter than this eye. So next I'm gonna take this fluffy blending brush. It's just by Sigma, right? Just kidding, it's not by Sigma. And I'm taking this color right here Actually, I lied. Let's go warmer. I'm gonna go with this color. Tap off the excess. And I'm gonna put that right in my crease. Okay. Start in the center. And I'm gonna sweep that into the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back out. Now we're using our regular warm shades up top, but we're gonna use completely different colors on the bottom. So try not to get too much of your warm shades past your lower lash line. It's okay if you get them like right in this area right here, because our wing is gonna be there anyway, so that's gonna get covered. But try not to go too far on your lower lash line because there's gonna be different colors down there. I'm gonna take this like medium-sized little brush right here. It's like medium size. It's not a really small pencil brush, but it's a medium-sized one. And I'm gonna take, I'm going with the colors that I've already used a lot. I'm going with this shade here. It's a really warm brown shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in the crease right starting here in the outer corner. I'm just gonna pack it on in the outer corner. I love this technique for eyeshadow because it's kind of like you see what shape you're going in and then go from there. So I start that and then I don't get any more product on my brush, and then I just go in all the way to the inner corner. And I'm taking this blending brush and I'm just going back over that. Really soft motions. Really soft. Now we have a good, nice, warm base going on. I'm gonna use the same brush actually. And I'm gonna take this other Morphe palette. It's 25B, the one that I got for Christmas. Oh, if I can get her open. I'm gonna take this shade over here called Center. And it's more of a neutral brown. A neutral mid-tone brown. And I'm using the same little brush. I'm just picking it up, top off the excess, and I'm gonna pack that on in the outer corner. And that's just gonna make our crease colors just slightly more neutral because I want them to be on the warm end, but still like not orange. Blend, 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 blend. Now, that's a little more neutral. I'm gonna take an even smaller little brush, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Most. Oh yeah, that's not the color I would use because I'm always doing the Most. This color right here. And it's a nice like taupey dark brown. And I'm just putting that all the way in the outer V, bringing it up pretty high actually because I want it to show on top of my wing liner, and then bringing it back in. And only going about halfway because you don't want to put your darkest colors too far on your inner corner because then you're gonna just close out your eye and you don't want to do that. You want your eyes to pop.
Gotta do a drag queen tongue pop. I can't do it.
I can't do it either. I'm gonna learn, and then one day I'm gonna come on here and do a drag queen tongue pop and you're just gonna be like, wow, Ceiba, I am so proud of you. We got our crease colors going on in here. Whoa, my head's like way far down there. Crease colors going on in a nice little wing shape. Let's do this color down here from the 25B called Double. She's like a more cool toned. Actually, I see like hints of purple in there. We're gonna take her and then pop her in the crease, just in the outer V. Here in this little area, a little bit, about a third of the way in. Stop it. There. Then you want to take your blending brush again and just go over and blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, not blend. We don't like bland food around here. We're Mexican. I'm cutting my crease, guys. Remember the tip from last time? You want to start in the center and just draw a line down. And then you want to like look straight and see if your cut crease is actually showing, because I have hooded eyes and I want to make sure that like you can see all the work that I've done. Right where my fold ends, that's where I want my cut crease to like stop, like right above that little fold. Oh my god, I'm like seeing myself. I'm like seeing my eye fold and I'm like, wow, that's so sad. She's just like folding over herself. Now, I'm pretty satisfied with that line there. Now that I look like I'm a little bit crazy, I'm gonna go ahead and bring her to the side. That looks focused. Well, I can kind of see.
Wow.
Wow. Andrew doesn't understand because he's not as blind as I am. But when I can see something, I'm like, wow.
Girl, you're like 2 feet away.
Legit, if we got my yardstick that's over there. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Okay, right here I can see clear. What is that?
That is less than 2 feet.
I had 4 inches to be like the 2 foot mark.
You were close, girl.
Okay, so my crease is cut on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this air spun. Has been sitting for like hella long. It's cool though because my under eyes will look smooth. You know, if this look comes out really nice, I'm gonna be depressed if we don't go anywhere later.
You gotta get some antidepressants.
Oh! I don't even like going out. I'm doing a wing now. In case anyone was wondering if, you know, my shirt or my bodysuit from last week's video was ever revived from my eyeliner. No. But the little eyeliner dots are still right there on the little flap. It was just right in the center. Right in the middle of my titties. When you turned on your laptop and you were watching Jackie's video.
Oh,
and I was like, that's Jackie!
I her videos just relax me. I don't know what it is.
She's so great.
Yeah, like I love the way she speaks and how she keeps it real. Like, I'm just gonna be honest.
She does.
It real. So I mean, if anything, like if I can help a friend like be better at makeup, I can be like Jackie said.
Jackie, if you ever see this, I highly doubt. But Jackie, if you're ever watching this, we want to be friends with you. I'm gonna take this NYX gold glitter liner. Oh, just kidding. It's called NYX liquid crystal liner in the shade Crystal Gold. I was like, dramatic sparkle. It's in the shade Crystal Gold, and I'm just gonna go right on top of my little wing. Little. I'm funny. Now we have that gold right there on top of that wing. We're letting her dry. I'm filming. Now we're taking my NYX Ultimates palette and I'm going into, don't be scared, this is how you make your brown eyes pop the most without using too much color. So you're taking your blue shadow down here and I'm packing that on this little flat shader brush, tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna go right under my lower lash line. Whoa, I used the zoom side instead of the regular side. Starting in the center and blending toward the edges. And I'm taking it about, this is why I said not to get your top colors too close to your bottom lash line. Right under my wing. Blue under. Not everybody has a blue liner for their waterline, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a black one. I'm just trying to use things that everybody would have, you know? Right in your waterline. I never do a full cat eye, like, liner. I always do like the wing, and then I never do the little cat eye in the inner corner unless I want it to be really, really dramatic. Next, I'm gonna take this, I'm taking this kind of greenish, like sea blue glitter shadow, and I'm gonna put that right in the inner third. Now I'm pretty satisfied with that. I'm just gonna blend a little more down here with a really, really gentle touch. Really, really gentle, guys. Next, I'm gonna take this super, super flat lighter brush, I guess, and I'm gonna take this purple from this palette right here, this purple, and I'm gonna pack that on. Well, I just heard my sister tell somebody that they're gonna die. Pack on that purple, and right under where I applied the black in my waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and just pat this purple there, and a little bit right here by the wing, just the teensers. Can you see that? See how much different my eye looks on this side? Like it looks way more lifted and more brown. You probably can't tell that my eye looks more brown in the camera, but blue makes brown pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes and my mascara on this side because you guys didn't get to see that last time and I feel like I kind of cheated. So we're gonna curl our lashes first, just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna use the House of Lashes glue. This is the black one because I'm wearing wing liner and I ran out of duo. So I'm gonna apply some mascara on my top lash line because I wanna make sure my actual lashes blend in with my fake ones. And then I'm probably gonna go ahead and apply that on my bottom lash line as well. Blow on these. And the trick to putting on lashes is to look down at yourself versus up here, because then you're gonna have, if you do it up here, you're gonna have a gap. So look down, come in from the north, pop them in the center, and then secure the east and west. Now we got lashes on, eyes are done. So now I'm gonna go back in with my highlight because I didn't get to finish that earlier because my baking was in the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on my cheekbones and then do the same trick where I highlight in here and up here in the forehead, right here in this little crevice right here. I love when the highlight hits that. It just does something special for me. These inner corners one time, then on the tip of the nose, down the bridge, and my little Cupid's bow trick. Now we're good. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take some bronzer and hug that highlight with it. I'm going around, all the way around the perimeter of my face with this, but I can't really see, so I'm just kind of hoping that I'm doing this right, you know what I mean? I'm taking this Pixie Fresh Face Blush in the color Beach Rose, aka me. Just popping that on my cheekbones. It's a nice little mauve-y blush. This is from the drugstore, but Pixie's like one of the more expensive brands of the drugstore, but still the drugstore. Now that I have all my face powders on, I'm gonna spray myself with this rose water. Next, we're gonna do lips. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX Suede liner in the color Downtown Beauty. I'm going a little bit under my natural lip line, and I'm gonna take the side of this liner and just blend that down. And to make the illusion of really pouty lips, I'm gonna go ahead and make a little V shape on the little point of my Cupid's bow. And that's basically gonna contour your lips and give you the kind of that Angelina Jolie pout. I always do this when I'm gonna put a really nude lipstick on. This is the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the color Dusk to Dawn. So now I'm just gonna set with setting spray and whew, we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make brown eyes pop. Have a great week. Love you. Mwah.